Yo, what up? Hey, yo, you know me. What's good, man? Gotta shout out my brother real quick. Sam, man, you need to send me these tracks. We need to get this shit popping. Yeah, man. You know, you got your school thing popping off and you're about to make big moves, you know what I mean? Just, you gotta get it popping, man. You know what I mean? You know me, that's my brother. That's where I get my singing from, you know what I'm saying? That's what taught me. Real talk. Um, Hope North Carolina treating you right, my G. You know what I mean? And, once you see this, and I hope you get at me. I mean, I'm about to contact you via YouTube all the time. It's my page. I expect you to be on it. I expect you, excuse me, to be subscribing. You know what I mean? I'm gonna send you a text this morning and let you know what's popping because I know you don't know about my page. But I'm saying hit the guard up. All right. Love you, man. I miss you. You know what I mean? My Tahari, what's good? I know you out here. I know you're going through. Just keep your head up, my son. Keep your head up and stay strong. You heard? Real talk. Pop always got you. You know what I mean? Alright? I'm about to get out of here, people. Go to work. I'm gonna catch y'all on the re. Old Black Dog in the building. You know what I mean? Wow.